time problem I see woman no. I have very sensation and go for stores ashisheno. Abandoned me and provide equipment. Ghana Fire Service nyaba omi na control na nya kufu na control John Mahama na control wa feli. Want me anum jano. Anti Mahama na feli na want me anum jano. And yet that time na say obedi kromu of almost to ashiatem. A stupid decision ever. Because what buying na ne kwasi ya want me anum jano.
Your man Twene Jonas also on TS asem kese we pa to Adum Pz boys. Na Kevin Taylor tima hwenya me enu matena se di wo matem. Abra wa nkomo mu wan siri kra wo se David on TS Mahama abo Kevin Taylor pa NDC fo abo Kevin Taylor pa so onye sa sebe sa nkwase asemi o se David on TS nti no. Wa sa betwa gina Kevin Taylor so. Aso asi NDC fo so na Mahama de in fact what now horo from abo bona adwa kire Mahama pa. Na enu bibi. Mahama etwa betting tax any 11 no so. Twene Jonas wasabi prison I Penyah block media. Me so say ni mo. Over like if you don't over subscribe button. So now be click the notification icon for this update. Now be try you mama e comment best answer obaswa. No she be mo so enya bi ahye. Eti we kaya 2024 yako election mu no. Mahama e campaign message ba ko say o say mo top mama Mahama na me we ni a. Me first 100 days me make sure say e levy COVID-19 betting tax, one tax, smoke tax, ni nyina me ye free. Me yi ama Ghana for H0T F say me na me bo from kura me Mahama me ye free ho me twene mo ho et me ye free ho ye to be we den tra cross na say chichi bi papa say akwa 100 days you hu ye de abrusu what I say abrusu mon card mon plan betika kana as ya abrusu mon plan na bia ni refi mon what I say sa enti last week and I call parliament o ma pass bill na akoto so abakura say ano majority na atu abana ama say you twa those tags ni mutina kama Mahama ni signature keke eti and then Mahama what to so baby amon family me na men sign and oje pen na we pine.
This is the electronic transfer levy repeal bill. That's the famous levy bill. I'll proceed to sign it. Okay, I've just given assent to the repeal of the famous levy bill. Now this is the Income Tax Amendment Bill 2025 to remove withholding tax on winnings from lottery, betting and games of chance. This is the famous betting tax repeal bill. And so I'll assent to it, 2nd April 2025. So betting tax is gone. Now this is the emissions tax repeal bill. So Emissions Levy Repeal Act 2025, emissions levy is gone. This is the earmark funds capping and realignment bill. This is the bill that caps the GHT fund and national health insurance levy and moves those resources into the consolidated fund. We promise that we'll take the capping off, we won't cap them. And so this bill uncaps the GHT fund and the national health insurance levy. So the earmark funds capping and realignment amendment bill has been assented to. So it means GHT fund and NHI will receive the full amount of their levies. Promises delivered.
Levy any betting tax we can back COVID tax de COVID-19 tax de that's what hangi ho and a bomb person obetwa ensumo e de account na otwam yen ana twinias okay me amedia no is man why are there mama bo abaso e na bo mo ha abaso
I know. But John Mahama edasi why are there say who deal with bushes okay so obetwa levy obetwa cha tax why are there. I mean, you are doing a great job. She said, "Yeah, minimum kind na." So what you say? And congratulations, what you? Sam kwasi 11.
na opo na basu we ya no si da bi na wi na menwie ye Mahama da bi say ya okobo Kevin Taylor pa de enne de abai ewo mo atemdidi atemdidi de enye yize yengo te Twene Jonas
Mo say oh I see Twene Jonas views come from because odi Kevin mabuana tem because and I'm saying the views come from Muntiemi. Samoya sa obi anim se magimi. Me the almighty me na Ghana for ni na look up to me. Ono Kevin na akura no odwan no look up to me. That way they had your video back Kwame Bar life. Video back Kwame Bar life views in Guasie. 900,000 views. 900,000 views. And this video back up no 900,000 views. Have views when you know be that since your baby I say. And sa o be catch them say or no na ye or no ye popular. O ya boa. Because ono anga sakura no he wished to be like me. Ono nya sa views we be asenka wiase nyina. And he say ombi a me ye big san. Na NDC for no minim say o madwen mu na emere o se senyon umatimi atena ama o dada o mo say o ye popular ono na ye popular nti o jimi mo beba ba gina na chi mo beba ba be condemn ne say masa the Almighty is the boss of the whole nation nti ye mpene say odi edin ebe kwa di Twene Jonas atem because oba be bo damage ebe affect o mining nyina because I view say nipa we ya me twachire views am yi kire we say views ne do so chen kan fo nyina e do so che kumase fo nyina 9 million views a hwesi a video back up 900,000 views metimi yi video different video bi ha men kasan wie no na duru 5 million views when nyina last week year Twene Jonas TV. So, enti send this for any nyamwa. And come on yada imun kodi na chi no fa mo meto amane because ene no ma ban wo so a ma ban na failure wontime nya adwuma no. Views we nyina wo hu bi da 2.7 million views. On time my life on kasa nya views we bi da. It is a me the Almighty ameme powerful sano. Na the most powerful person sano. Now the Jimmy be attack it. Na fe no NDC for no so ma Jimmy omuntime me condemn fast. Na Ghana ni bia hu se o nya okra nya omo na nya NDC for na ball pa but NDC for na ba no mumu abebo defense na akwete se NDC for nyina na plan asma Kevin Taylor boa ne se o mere omna medi Twene Jonas atem na mu di matem no won mu ana mu di mu ho abro nti ene no asantefo a wo wiase nyina Kevin Taylor akodi o matem don't get me wrong me na mkodi o matem anko mo ni problem because hu me say me the Almighty. But Kevin Taylor nyobia enti okodi atema NDC for na asoma ne so nkodi o matem enti abanya wa wurele no on soma unkra say omunkonkodi Ghana for atemabra asema esi ye no kra no ye wa no afeli wantimi ankodumja so fire service department no enye obi se gaga pan na odwan di me na kwase ye kra onye popular on me Instagram followers kra eye edoso cheni ono kra se ewiase nyina munya no nyimi a odi asantefo nyina atem na NDC fo agime fo nsade na chi no mo support no enti o no aban na aba aban na feli wantimi ankodumja na ejaahye kumasefo a edie nti na wodi jimi se kodi omatem ahun se wo na ahunyansa beka nyansa sem bia ebema obi ape NDC aban asem enti ti se me sei me na John Mahama tua me ka se menye damage mana ejaahye okumase a me nko na me nkodi asantefo e ai PZ watemo me ban ma beka se oh yenyina Ghana fo amwo asante man mu nyina ne Ghana fo nyina mo me enko support ye nua no asante fo a ejato omusto machine na me ma ban NDC omantimi ammo mo homodien no nja no next time ye be make sure say ye de no ma be gugu akwam na yetimi Adum Jano next time ye be make sure say jan to ba bia ba say me di jimi ebetra be di boys na ye okrumu nyina atema me patch they say next time no me enkoto aba mama ban ni bio because ma ban ni ekwasea oba power obesa employ obi foframa waba be di atema abra ye problem because the purpose of say me ma Ghana for koto aba ma John Mahama ni say ejato ba bia obeduru ha abomodin say obe stop jano na face wa prevent me na me ma Ghana for koto millions upon millions of views am twachire kwasea ne kasa 2 million years kwa wonya anti obviously you are talking about views, you are suffering for it. When Jimmy view the way I always see at the end, asan bra bi be views eguasie. The whole Ghana me popular chobi I mean restriction. And is any power any per 100 they hear me in show our live feed and so. And the make a sabi in the whole Ghana ebe duru baby ya. And you join me views are me actually on yet 10 years ago views so. Last week views na make count. Kevin Abuano no club be di akofo ado atem. And the same way ana John Mahama na ba wo ye adwuma pawo. Na wo no odi jimi ko jimi sa I was say mo kire ni nyansa say there's time for everything. Timer problem I see what my no. I have very sensation go for stores ahihye no. Abandonment me provide equipment. Ghana fire service nya ba me na control na nya kofo na control John Mahama na control no afeli. Wantimi anum gya no. Anti Mahama na afeli na wantimi anum gya no. And yet that time na say obedi kromu of almost to ahyiatem. A stupid decision ever because what buying na ne kwase ya wantimi anum gya no. Anti what buying na ntimi anum gya. You don't blame the people omato tax ama buying no. Say buying me na adwuma na buying na failure. You don't insult the people. Buying a failure mono. You rather talk sensible to them because you see ano say abuwa ikoso di Ghana for atema ebeduru mirebe no ebe den se me bedi omo ho dance say omo ye champion fo a Ghana ni bi be fa me serious tire me catch on you because me am catch Ghana for so omo to abama mo na wo kasa nduru ba bia 9 million views am e kire we e jeze Ghana for nyina ne gu me page no so no wo kasa 100 years kra unya emu 1 million views kra da impossible e me nkwana me kasa na millions upon millions ibetie me what you say Twene Jonas nkwana de o kasa na millions upon millions ba betie me because obi anim say ha no kre na me kan oba NDC fu agimi o makotu eska ma wo den o more damage a ugu pom party nya na me ka kire we me ka kire mo mu nim nyansa no mbefa no mafa so omo ye mmoa no mbekọ so ama omo tua omo the taxpayers money be ma usika no adi Ghana for atema e be duru time akokrometi no be kire power no e ho no mbu sese omo agimi chen nipa bia watwa yi levy mo ye adwuma eno no ama aboa na be prezi aboa na ba be kan kire Ghana for but I say problem sensitive cases sensation cases no e ma aboa no nkodi Ghana for na tem enti sa no na John Mahama krona di Jimmy kobo pa say okay even Taylor kwasi an medi Ghana for atema ese mo no double standing na mo ye no obi ya de e be boa mo party na nya position next in future na party krona san di Jimmy ya de foforo nchen be mo masan ko position one because a movement ya obeya ade papa no na obeye boni tato no boni ne sele chen ade papa no ene se kwasi ya mekasa ana ai Asante regional minister ikoche skama Asante foni nyina na aboa yo mamo ne pa no medi o matema enka sika na okoche no mbeka ho asem se ase akufo ado ba 8 years ejaya shishi ye nyina wantimi amfa sika amre se yemfa nko start business for frana yemfa nko start yemko sisi store John Mahama ba na anu yayi meso ama iska problem bia ba oba but udi Jimmy kodi o matem se ekima even though say John Mahama di sika na kono omo nyini sika no ho bi o atem na wadi omo no na omo dwene ho enu ntina me pese NDC fuoja Jimmy no money aboa ne kasa se be ya obeden ongu on send party no enko opposition so anti ai ono kasa enko ba bia the almighty me ye large me kasa o man nyina obi etie NDC fo nko na Jimia obi ani followers nuru me Instagram followers o kan followers boom times 3 kra nuru me followers amewo anti ayedan na modi Jimmy tina o man da mo to the extent say enyam wa wakoka ntokwa the almighty ntokwa mo beba be yimu ho afrim se mo nyam nam so ma no na mo so ma di Jimmy aba be di me matem ama Ghana fo nyina hu se na se mo na mo bo ka even Taylor pa so mra no mfa o me Jimmy ha so nti yesia no mo na se mo an mabo ne pa so me Jimmy because mo buy na mo be catch the Ghana fo nyina so ye nim ho hwe yen so ma so me di Twene Jonas atem yen so man say o made o me threat say o ko deport Twene Jonas abra wonim say impossible Trump current mean deport the almighty Twene Jonas enti the way John Mahama twa levy me anya me na America ko bi akra nti you but we twam wa ya de e very vision mampanyini ne nim say ekuro bi e wi asibia no yenyi hiani taxes sikani a o companies wo sika cash flow obetimi agina fa akwatoka 20 ono ena ye gene taxes ni de akwakohwe ahiafo oba America the same thing Kevin yo nya adwuma ti dem oba na hwani ontua tax ya ye skafo ye skafo ye twi BMW no ye na memi say me BMW we me tua $6,000 taxes that is insurance kekeo and sena matua road afs in ebobo animu ha sei sa no ma ye bobo animu ha kura fensen registration one ansana me top petrol taxes gunu so because who was scared be cheap powerhouse there I say top petrol me sa tua inspection ni nyina ko government num say scan ye de hwe sa aboa ne ma e wa bruchi omunya adwuma bi broni kromu a wonya adwuma no you don't pay taxes ya ye wo sika na ya to cash no ye to petrol ya to mansion no ye na etua property taxes me ye dia akohwe bibini o ti aban free sa na ye no eba sa e ma ho to bomb man no and we don't put pressure on somebody on one kapre ye nye ne sa won na sika ni na ono no owo sika bebrebe a wanya sika wi ate se dubu ahen mo wi aye sika yi sisi yada pa ma wi aye sika na omo no eda VAT free omo ntua hwe ti de me choni yo omo ntua hwe yo ono awie sika free on ntua hwe but the ono no obeton pure water no petu anwumre obeso akonkreta no petu anwumre no onu mom ene nkonko tua taxes onko tua yi levy onunko tua wusie ho tax onunko tua eye nkwasi asem enti mampanyini na ba no atwa ma onim nyansa won ya meche no enti sa mampanyini kro na amfa jimi nkobo obi paase o medi Ghana fo atem abra aba ne yebeto ama nti Kevin Taylor kwasi ampanyini hu se de H0T jimi ko aboa NDC fo na jimi na omde ye taxpayers money tua oka na omde to aduane ma odi na omde tua TV ma wa enche se ma wonta na jimi sa form ko opposition because ebeduru 3 years aka 3 years 3.5 years Ghana ni na wo ko pa na choso nkoto abama enti ono nsan nkoto abama na benya post na sa betena odi na temana there be on to enti jimi mampanyini ni niminyansa ye momode se ye bebo ne image ho ban ni watimi ayeren affix your mind na maye na o mind ye ya ye nyina ne bebo aye ene vice ne yare no aburochire ne yare no ko landing na jin biza won say America obi yare wa ha yede ne ko hospital afichire here because hospital every 1 minute walk there's a ultra modern powerful hospital in your neighborhood enti adan na ye betimi atena se na ba akofo aba adubu ahenu awie sika ebetimi si hospital no be 100 no ne yere ne na busuamfo nko akodi wow sisi yada pa no awie sika ni nyina wo ne enya leader betimi abo yesika na ye gye ne ho ban e dia build proper infrastructure proper healthcare system proper hospital na da bia ya yese moa bibini oyare a ne de nato ai abobo ya so ne de ne nam bibini ka hospital ano da form bibini ko hospital ai na nurse for dinatem nurse for create me chene bono enti nkwasia system a yewo afuo mu no yanya leader bi na opese obeye ni ya adie enti ne ye be ya ma leader no ho ya hi aka Kevin aboa NDC for na abo pa enti movement ya udi jimi ebedi Ghana fo atem no obi anim se John Mahama na asoma wo ena ye no kure nso wo obviously the rich people find a way to escape tax. Oh yeah, Sikania, we are dying America, Benya taxes. We are dying. There's no way so me escape. Me more companies be the only way I may escape with taxes. And say me put more expenditure taxes and so. Namanya Sikani be Matimia Sevuska. We are down betia. By here near no tea America on Tiahe, me on Ghana for baby or Mumpai or Muban, so many crata. When young crata say Kim no offer or file for unemployment, nor the fee, nor GI first saying full stamp, nor GI other session A. And so because you man there be a Bible heno. Tia buying sika no general house or banging mobi keke, a cranny sika beba. Oh. Into system na year juma 24/7 the here say America the here say onya even so onya ska kura na finish ya wanya ska more than 3 billion going ya on tax if onya 500 million onya 1 billion ni nyina free money you don't pay taxes on them and the ska phone quantity taxes for America.
How can you praise someone and in that same sense you fire the person? How? Say where is someone Twene Jonas abakeka me just say asema Kevin Taylor can't Twene Jonas they also to me go panel to trust because how are Twene Jonas is able so see Kevin Taylor so nowadays me make right me say left right center is all bona you fire and passa. Tell you mama e comment section. Hi Penyah Media.